Hi! In this tutorial, I will be showing you the power of Python using this Python program I created that will let the user call out commands and the computer will automate them. In my last video, I showed you the email attribute of this program. This time, I will be showing you the text message attribute. Now let's have a look. So I will run this program and only call out the commands related to my text messages. We will do the others for another day.
Commands on.
Display message.
Commands on.
Text message.
Commands on.
A11.
Commands on.
C13.
Commands on.
A11.
Commands on.
Close program.
Done. Commands on.
Exit Python.
Goodbye.
Now, let's check my text message. Here we get a message. Let's have a look. Surprise party for you. I will run this program again. This time, I will be attaching a file to the message, and I will be using the button option.
Commands on. Buttons on.
It's button 3.
Commands on. Buttons on.
It's button 2.
Commands on. Buttons on.
Here we have an option to type the phone number. So for some phone numbers that are not listed, we can always still message them. We can add as many phone numbers as we like to this list. Right now, I still want to send it to this phone number here. So 202-753-7258. We can add hyphens here if we like. It will still work the same.
Commands on. Buttons on.
Now I want to type my own message, so it's button 0. Let's say, hello there. How are you?
Commands on. Buttons on.
Here we can choose to send our message only, or we can select a file to attach to our message. Here I have a list of some files that we can choose from if we don't want to select one, we just want to choose one from here. Now we can add as many more files as we like to this list. Right now I want to send birthday.jpg with my message, so it's number 4.
Commands on.
Close program.
Done. Commands on.
Exit Python.
Goodbye.
We can see we got a notification that I received a text message. Let's have a look. Here we get this message with this file. I will run this program one last time, and this time I will be manually selecting a file from my computer to attach to the message.
Commands on.
C13.
Commands on.
B12.
Commands on.
A11.
Commands on.
X0. Here I will type hello world.
Commands on.
Select file.
Please select a file within 30 seconds.
So I will select a file in 30 seconds, and if I don't, they will send my message without a file attached. So I'll just take this one. They will automatically send it for us.
Commands on.
A11.
Done. Commands on.
A11.
Goodbye.
You can see we have that notification. Let me check my text messages. Here I get hello world with this picture I attached. This is the end of this tutorial. If you have any questions, requests, suggestions, or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel. It's called NextEDU. Today is March 20th, 2020. Please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. And if you enjoyed this video, please have a look at my other videos. They might help you into programming in Python or math. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.